how to import presets in Lightroom Mobile. Hello, welcome once again. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how you can import Lightroom preset into the application. To do that, there are two common ways. The first way is for the DNG preset. For DNG presets, you would have to download it. So to download it, go to your browser, click on the search box and type DNG preset for Lightroom mobile download. Okay, wait for it to load, then select the post you would like to download the preset from and select the one you want. So after selecting the one you would like to use, scroll down and click start download now. Alright, to ensure that the preset is downloaded. Okay, once it is done downloading, click on the file to extract the file. Once it's extracted, go to your Lightroom application again, and once you're in your Lightroom application, open, click on add photos to select the photo that you would like to use, or you can just select the photos that have been edited already in your Lightroom application. Then once you've done that, the editing page would be displayed where you can go ahead to make all of your edits. Then once you can see this, go back to your Lightroom interface, then click on the add photos icon. And once you've selected this and you're brought to the page, locate the presets that you just downloaded and move to the bottom right corner and click add. Then you'll see it here, click on it to import to open the file that you've downloaded. Then move to the top right corner where you can see the three dot icon, click on it, and a menu will be displayed. In this menu, you would see options like save copy to device, organize, view options, create preset. So select create preset and then give your presets a name, customize it, the color, the light, do you want vibrant color grading? Once you're done, move to the top right corner and then click on the tick icon, and then just like that, your preset has been imported. Then another option is if you want to add preset while editing a photo. So select the photo that you would like to edit, and then once you're in the editing page, move to the top right corner again, click the three dot icon, and then once you've done that, you'll see different options as well, which includes save, copy to device, organize, view options, create preset, etc. For this one, we are not creating a preset, so move to the bottom part of the screen instead and select the presets icon. Alright, so after selecting the preset icon, you can see options for you to select the presets that you would like to use. Alright, but the disadvantage of this is that most of the presets here are for premium users. So if you're a premium user, you're good to go, but if not, go to yours, then use the presets that you just did. Move to the bottom right corner of the screen, click the tick icon, and then just like that, your presets will appear under user preset, and you can go ahead to share this photo with people. As you can see, the preset already affected the way the picture looks like. And that is it. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.